We are investing in our future. We're investing in our children. We're investing in a place where resources are going to create a huge positive impact in our community.
The community needs a better space, and the Boys and Girls Club, the building is 50 years old and it's getting tired. We decided this was a perfect opportunity to completely renovate the club and also to reimagine what the next 50, 60 years for this organization will look like. We do a great job of working with kids all the way from kindergarten through middle school, but now we'll have a state-of-the-art facility to keep those kids engaged throughout high school as well, and with meaningful, impactful programs, upgraded technology programs with a makerspace, smart city lab.
We're really creating a much stronger pipeline of youth development.
My life has changed for the better since coming to the Boys and Girls Club.
I could be given opportunities to talk. That's when I became more happy.
Coming here showed me how to be a responsible young man.
As he grows, it'll be something that he can look back on and say, this is where I was at, this is where I came from.
One of the things I'm looking forward to when the Boys and Girls renovate is that it's a place where we all can be proud to go.
A modern building will give the community more options and allow us to be able to reach not only the K through 5th or the K through 12th, but the community as a whole.
The renovated space is something that can be utilized by both families, Rotary clubs, other service organizations, and school groups.
Community for me is about people and it's about families, and that starts with kids.
To see this club enhance itself, to reinvent itself, and to really serve our community and our youth.
Serving thousands and thousands of kiddos over the years, but now this renovation will allow us to make our presence felt for the next 60, 70 years in San Leandro. Great futures start right here at the San Leandro Boys and Girls Club.